Welcome to Crispin Garage. We got a little different episode for you today. I'd like to thank my good buddy Alan Goff for supplying and growing these Carolina Reapers. They are very pretty pepper. So what we're going to do is, I've got one here that I took the stem off of. I'm going to pop her in there. I'm going to eat the old Reaper, and I got to disassemble this 3 horsepower flathead Briggs carburetor. So as soon as I pop it in my mouth, I'm going to set the timer just so y'all can see. I do have some milk and stuff over here, just in case. We're going to see how bad these things really are. I think it's probably going to be pretty bad. So here we go. Oh my, it's going to be bad. You ready?
I'm ready.
You can hit play?
You ready?
Yeah.
Play. Feel it? It's hot?
Very.
Hey, 13 seconds in.
She's down. All right. First thing we got to do is get the tears out of your eyes. She's getting hot, son. I'm pure tea shaking. Oh boy. This is bad. I believe it's in my ears. Oh my. This is bad. Whew. I don't know if we can get this thing apart or not. Holy cow. Oh.
1 minute, 45 seconds. Is it just hot in your mouth, or is it?
Oh man, it's hot everywhere.
You got it, man. You got it. Concentrate. You got it, man.
I think I'm gonna die, Alan.
No, don't die on me, man.
Oh, Reaper's bad, son.
Is it?
She's rocking, son. Where we at on that one, Joey? You were supposed to be here for moral support.
face did turn the color of his pants a little bit.
And Danica, I thought she would have said something, but no, she just standing there drinking her cold Coca-Cola. It's tolerable, but my whole mouth is on fire. Why? You hear that?
That's your mouth sweating now.
Yes. Well, I'm not going to suffer y'all here through the rest of this. So, thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm so humbled that people even want to watch my videos. So, this is a little something different. But remember, until next time, don't do one of these. No, if she's giving trouble, she's going to the bad. Thank y'all.
What do I hit?
All right, here we are, guys. I figured I'd do it after. It's only been about 10 minutes or so since we turned the video off and I was in the other room. I will say, first impression, I've ate the ghost pepper. It is definitely, it says the ghost pepper is like 1 million Scoville and the Carolina Reaper is like 2 million. It's definitely twice as bad. Definitely. 100% twice as bad for sure. It was completely 100% unbearable almost to start with. And then that was like the 3-4 minute mark. I think I drank some milk. And the milk would, as soon as the milk entered your mouth, the heat would go away. But as soon as the milk went down your throat, the heat was right back. Instantaneously there, instantaneously gone. My belly wasn't hurting at first, but now, yeah, she's hot and bubbling down there. My stomach could be hurting because of all the milk and ice cream I just ate. I'm just not used to that much milk and ice cream at one time. So I hope I don't get sick and puke all over the place. That would be bad. Feels like there's no fire brewing down there. Yeah, I think the belly's getting worse. As we speak, I think the belly's getting worse.